Hey, bud. Hi there, bud. We're going to show everybody what happens when Mommy puts the fan on you. Okay, now you're not going to do it. There we go. Let's do it again. Do we like it or not, bud? What about now? What do we think about that fan, buddy? It's kind of shocking, isn't it? Does it feel good at least? Doesn't act like he doesn't like it. Is he startled the little man a little bit? Say, okay, that's enough, Mommy. That's enough, Mommy. Bye-bye.